Prime Minister, you're just back from China, and I want to ask you, you have strongly supported China, including in its actions in Xinjiang.
Amerika tomoshabinlariga tanishliq bo'lgan televiziya riyosatchisi Farid Zakariya yaqinda CNN televiziyasining Dunyoviy ommaviy maydon programmasida Pokiston bosh ministri Imron Xon bilan suhbatda bo'ldi hamda maxsus Uyg'urlar masalasini o'tirg'a qo'ydi. Shuningdek, yengila Xitoy safaridan qaytib kelgan Imron Xondan siz dunyodagi eng chong musulmon davlatlarining biri bo'lgan Pokistonning rahbari turuqliq nima uchun Xitoy hukumatining Uyg'urlarni bostirishni qo'llaysiz deb so'ragan. Shuningdek, Uyg'ur diyoridagi qirg'inchilik tufaylidan Amerika, Kanada qatorliq bir qism g'arb davlatlarining Xitoy sohibxonlik qilgan Beijing qishliq olimpik musobaqasini boykot qilganligini alohida eskartib o'tgan.
You're the leader of one of the largest Muslim countries in the world. The United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, as you know, have boycotted the Olympics diplomatically because they say China is engaging in what they term a cultural genocide against Muslims in Xinjiang. Do you see it differently?
Uyg'urlar haqidagi savollarga qarata izchil bilmas bo'lib kelayotgan Imron Xon bu qitim boshqacharoq javob bergan. U Pokistonning Xitoyda turishliq bosh elchisi Mobin ul Haqning Urumchi qatorliq joylarda ekskursiyada bo'lganligini, uning bu jarayonda g'arb axborot vositalarida tilga ilingan qirg'inchilik hamda uningga munosabatlik hech qanday ahvolni ko'rmaganligini misol keltirib, Xinjiangda undaq ish yo'q ekan. Ammo mening tushunmaginim, dunyo nima uchun Hindiston bilan Pokiston talashib kelayotgan Kashmir rayonida hayotidan ayrilgan minglagan kishilar haqida so'z qilmaydi degan. Farid bo'lsa qaytirib savol qo'yib, siz Kashmirdagi musulmonlarning ahvoli Xinjiangdagi musulmonlarning ahvolidan nachar demoqchimi deganda Imron Xon o'zining bundaq selishtirma qilmoqchi emasligini, ammo Kashmir masalasining diqqatdan chetda qilayotganligini yana bir qatim ta'kidlagan.
Are you saying that the treatment of Muslims in Kashmir is worse than the treatment of Muslims in Xinjiang?
There would be absolutely no comparison, and I only have one source, and this is our ambassador in China, who has compared the two. There is no comparison there.
Axırda Farid uningdan siz Xitoydagi musulmonlarning beshiga kelayotgan ishlarni ayblamamsiz deb qaytalab so'raganda Imron Xon hozir sovuq urushining qaytadan boshlanayotganligini, bundaq ahvolda ma'lum bir tarafninglar gapiga ishonishning oqilonlik bo'lmaydiganligini aytib gapni ilib qochgan.
But whatever is happening in Kashmir, do you condemn what is happening in China to Muslims there?
Do you believe which side do you believe? Because two sides are completely different. What China is saying is completely different to what the US is saying or the Western media is saying. So who do you believe? That's why we asked our ambassador to give us his opinion.
Ma'lum bo'lishicha, Xitoy hukumatining kelgusidagi energiya import ishlari uchun ehtiyot tayyorligi deb qaralayotgan Xitoy-Pokiston iqtisodiy koridori qurilishiga Xitoy hukumati 47 milliard Amerika dollari mablag' solgan. Xitoy hukumatining bu xildagi qarz diplomatiyasiga ilinib qolgan ko'plagan islom davlatlari o'xshamagan so'rinlarda izchil Xitoy hukumatini himoya qilib so'z qilib kelmoqda ekan.
感谢中方为巴基斯坦抗击新冠肺炎疫情提供宝贵帮助。中方提供的疫苗不仅拯救了巴人民，也拯救了巴经济。